Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello everyone, here we have another Old English padlock. It's a Squire 664 lever padlock. There are no false gates on the levers. The tools I'm using are once again made by the legend himself, Andy Mack. One thing to note, this lock requires a lot of tension. Like white knuckle levels of tension. I'm not sure if it is this lock or if it is a trait of all the 660s. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you all next time.